Yes, Nyanum TVG, Nyanum TVG, Chinyankupon Shirao na onyo keseni your first time I wish page you hano Asante Kotoko nsem ena yede ebro didi ne sefata sorti frada clubs na so yenso no yede bro ema wunya bitie ana se hwe ntunya subscribe to the page mesere se subscription button fansa boso na subscribe my o subscribe wa yente se be yede videos tuma so benya bia hwe e page no so Nyanum TVG Chinyankupon Shirao na onyo kesimidin ere Steven Tonado apia yeba bidin komo onzi enya tena sese ya na kyerese krobia Asante Kotoko metema omun komo ena yede ebro ntino temu chuku na yenko yeba bidin komo dia fa a potential replacement edema eye anase maminkan se a new winger so atias ye list ampanifo shortlist wo mo no ye ni akobom yinu so ba ko de very difficult ba konso de eye easy kakra so atiase na ensem doors so atiase transfer stories wa hanum Asante Kotoko plans for next season ye ka say plans for next season obi be ka say Tornado na say new management den na Asante Kotoko boboku no enye new plans yes ye the plans no be bro because name board no say aka kire the current anase management me kire IMC ne say omunya new so atiase delema last me be ka say behind the scenes empanifo ye adwuma enti no omo to foundation no edi ato no munye se ebia afia board anase management ne beba no na nuoma eba bebobo wo mo so na se by force bi o se adwuma no bebobo wo so enti no se foundation ni wo hono ma eba ya no anse template ni da ho se players we na ya shortlist wo mo e wo si edi wo mo nkomo a ye di wo mo nkomo so atiase we mu ne ye je wo mo kwai ye je wo mo kwai the technical the direction next season no enunie coaches abe so atiase na chese enu anti no behind the scenes no na pinkra kosie wu a kontomponi afere hene omo ye adwuma pa enti ye ba bedin komo na bibibia aye kama ewo no mtino subscribe my share like and comment unya and subscribe and say and register to Fabu census dial star 920 star 99 star 920 star 99 never register to Fabu census no na bibibia enye kama ewo ho na ana yes register na de atiane se we de ma mensre ade kakra ma mo somfo Tornado metie nyame adom Focus Media Awards so atiase Focus Media Awards de atiane se empanimfo anominate me empanimfo anominate me no na chese me de atu screen so amount yes City Hills Focus Media Award vote Stephen Apia Tonado Ganamine TV as National Sports Pundit of the Year as National Sports Pundit of the Year, one of the biggest sports awards ukrumiano so atiase intino se unya nomination adimua so atiase intino ye na obi bia se with mo support ba ye besere mo se mo support no nomination enya bana ene 1st April ene na chese voting no abato no shase intino se opese utoma osomfo Steven Tonado appear se ye voting ne be ko na wiye 15th of next month no na yesi me na the whole Ghana e bano agudie mu mpense mu a Tonado a mesro so be vote e dia ma me nominee code no na da ho no no 80D74 80D74 enti wo dia ne se obe dial star 850 star 850 ash no abosent so atiase nti obosent na chese wa follow process no na watu aba no ediama Tornado so atiase we ye me first big award nomination amayede menya nti no momoame na chese yenye award no enfamra yenye award no Kotokofo yenye award ne basa ye mu yedu so atiase ma ye mu yedu nti ye ka Kotoko asem na obi say yes the best sports pound it national the whole Ghana and I just say any all kasa no say be betimi anya kokodro ne be encourage ye na yenso ye dey yetimi aye Kotoko adwuma no na aye comment mesra monto abano mame ketua bi abetu bi enso say bia wo find it difficult to vote what they say 2 vote 3 vote na person vote na bia o finding it difficult so be vote to am o dey send this kan mamia 5 cedis crowd send mamia me de beto aba no mo enjin famre fi o dey me number na na twego no 0249 433793 0249 433793 dodo apeso vote bia 1 kura na o dey vote mame so the 5C untimi vote na ye difficult de mawa o send me me vote me pese ye jiba because competition na no den sanso na Solidino enso aye nominate Solidino as a national sports and as a national local presenter of the year Solidino so ati wono so ya nominate no as local sports presenter national. And the mo say no ye near grow ebia mu ye ketingete sa no ye adwumadin but ye ogidie say with mo support no nyankopon edi ebedrum pempen so a ye nyina ye pese ye de ye dru enti no vote ma me no na vote de ma Solidino enti me de Solidino short code no so be dey ebeto so edi amamu in due time na chese maboaye ni agi award ni imagine say Tornado national sports poundit of the year Solidino national local sports presenter of the year yewie yenimwa yewie so ati ase ntino mumvote mai na bibibia enye kama ehodom na yento aso ne emfa nsem no emfa emremo na de atie ne se nyankopon ya adoma Asante Kotoko company for say the game against Samates no Kotoko ene Samates ene de beboni nyankopon ya adoma Monday Easter Monday ti game no enye Sunday Easter Monday nyankopon ya adoma Kotoko ene Samates ene de beboni na empanimfo ede gate fee no aba abonten so ati ase empanimfo ede gate fee no aba abonten ene opese ukohwe game no bia omose 20 Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedis and then 70 Ghana cedis 20 Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedis and then 70 Ghana cedis intino ubetimi aba bipiemu na chese Easter Monday no ye nyina ya ba na yaba be support Asante Kotoko bubuku no Kotoko versus Samates Kotoko versus Samates omo mo nhye Kumase da so ati ase ntinyende ene omo ba be share with Pep Guardiola Prince Owusu atem na de enya de ombetimi a share ntino Easter Monday no ye nyina ye kwa akudi no Baba Yara Sports Stadium ena Easter Monday no ye be kwa akudi no so ati ase time no 3 o'clock and chese game no ebeba so ntie nyina ayemra na me support boys no na bibibia enye kama enra and at the launch of the 3rd edition of Democracy Cup no eno nso etodwa the 3rd edition of Democracy Cup no eno nso etodwa enra so ate ase na de atie ne se nyankopon ya aduma Baba Yara Sports Stadium ena chese event no ebeba so na this time around no empanimfo se enye one match keke enye Kotoko ne ha asemko na this time around no a series of event in the 30th of August ena opening ceremony ne bekoso host of event ena be dey ebetodwa so atiase eno ncheze enye 30th of August na Kotoko ne ha asebebo mepacho tieni enye 30th of August no ena Kotoko ene has ebebo Democracy Cup no na emom enam ze event no edoso ninti no ma bebo so atiase youth tournament ebekoso so nti no 30th of August ena opening ceremony no ebetodwa ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium Asante Kotoko ene has of folk game no date no eset na amene okase enra date ma bonten tie enra mpanimfo an confirm date no enra mpanimfo an confirm date no say bia date we ena Kotoko ne has ebebo nemum the opening ceremony no ena be sha 30th August ansa na ye event no ma ball youth tournament so atiase kokoso a ansa na bia in appropriate time no Kotoko ne House of Folk abontini in appropriate time no date ebeba so atiase was so mo communicating no mdidi nkomo no mo hwe the right time either first July September September mu sebeye bia but within that time frame na ena achese eyade a competition no anase Kotoko ne House of Folk Democracy Cup third edition no be dey ebeba so nti hye so 30th August no enye data Kotoko ne House bebo na mum time opening ceremony ni be opening ceremony no ebetodwa eno ene de matia ye de ho nsem ede ebrem no according to graphic sports so atiase on say me na me ni asibi intini ye ready ene ye kinkai about the third edition of the Democracy Cup no enti eno ene de free hono ba me di bi mamo ewo enuanum TV GH best this time around in Democracy Cup no as a Democracy Cup ne ba ye no yen share dan hu mu duro bia o but eye cup nso anka wasenka even a team even the motivation and encouragement woman wasenka yeah even bigger than the top 4 and as a president cup there so but here's motivation we no say ogia tu kwan akọ bi US and as UK na wasenka so atiase but has first edition Kotoko ne House ne boy ye wie no na akọ ye animguase ye kọ ye no visa ye begidi akọ na just ye the 13 players and 13 men contingent ye koduru onom no na wo say ye fa Koto Ghana fo wo ho bi no ya mo Kotoko jesi na den afi na nya Kotoko enye Kotoko ni ayi biem na akọ ye na ye pasa ye na mienu ayela Kotoko place mienu no ma ayera so atiase the second edition House of Folk any Great Olympics na boy up to date who when a House of Folk to kwai yentehwe enempanimfo alanche the third edition ye besere say omoma nya akono so atiase Parliament of Ghana mrahye bedwafie organize adia was say akono na ye de so atiase ni kwase ye biara saa enti kumase de amodi aba no ye beje ne fel so na bibibia aye kama ewo hono na yengura mu na yemfa nsem no emfa mere meba bedi income so nkomo e de akere mu na bibibia aye kama ewo hono na de tie ne se abrantia ne din e de Prince Tweneboa matese ezi owie school amas ukopie mu Basake Holy Stars a woye winger Prince Tweneboa this season washe 8 goals in the Ghana Premier League ene me no ka say on say new board and as a board no ebaye no omo make effort and they are still making effort say key players bi omo Asante Kotoko boboko no mo contract eba na wie at the end of the season no ma decide say omo ntina Asante Kotoko boboko no mbiem no omo be try no omo sa no makasa say okay a new face of Asante Kotoko this is the project aye where they eda yenim intino monsesa madwen sikentia dian na chese omo no makasa na se ebi adwen sesa beba omo seso madwen no ma no matena Samba O'Neil Kamara ena player ni din Peter Amidu akwa. The last time Ibakacha was a Samba O'Neil agent Prospos Edinka confirmed the amount Asante Kotoko say decision has been already made. Samba O'Neil at the end of the season will be Asante Kotoko boboko no mako. The last time Ibekane ha Oma communicate edi achere board no. Oma communicate edi achere board no. Say Samba O'Neil ebeko at the end of the season bia last minute changes been a beba ama player na sesa na adwena the effort board no make here in recent time since omo buy into office no still know from Samba O'Neil to Asante Kotoko until at the end of the season player no ebe free Asante Kotoko ako free agent. The other player Peter Amidu akwa enso club consort aka chere Asante Kotoko say player no he is not staying, he is not playing beyond this season. Into ononso ononso say omonso minkaso ononso camp assess su dua say enei Peter Amidu akwa at the end of the season no anase season we eba na wie ya on to aso emfa ma Asante Kotoko biem eno nso done confirmed omasa reconfirm anase omasa communicate biem e dey akere the board and the management say yentna at the end of the season no ye be free boboku no mako in a reporter management edema board no so atiase anase enyoma management ekunchire dia gu nkrata so a board ne nsa ka bi in terms of a transfer plan no I was so looking for a winger, a potential replacement edema Peter Amidu akwa na eno na wo hwe list ni ma players and penifo list wo locally wo mu din one list ni ma say potential replacement edema Peter Amidu akwa no Prince Tweneboa wo no si akan edema Basake Holy Stars 19 years ena abrantie na ayede edi ono ni din apie mu bi ena Emmanuel ano ono nso din apie mu bi Emmanuel ano de no very difficult edema Emmanuel ano because at the end of the season Emmanuel ano expect a contract outside Ghana. If I chotie Emmanuel ano at the end of the season expect a contract outside Ghana. Nemo mobeka the last time me beka kire mo say Emmanuel ano di nkomo amama tibi se wono se wan tu kwan a se wan tu kwan na se Ghana haya no obesi akan next season dia ene obetimi aka kire anase obeye happy so obe join Asante Kotoko boboku no medinka beka me beka asasem ne kire mu January me beka kire mo say Emmanuel ano and join Kotoko in January. First report na me be confirm the cheremo. Say it is not going to happen. Name player na see say wono die when to kwan na se Kotoko betime ne nation service for strike dealer. Wono oye ever ready to cross carpet from Abrenkese to Kumase anase stadium. Amekuma anase Askwa. And Emmanuel anodie no officer be wo ho no available diama no at the end of the season. Nations FC me report amagada cheze they are ready to do business. Omaya ready just say bia Nations just say bia Nations GFA Cup omuzo GFA Cup no mo kwa Africa de no top players nyina betena. But Emmanuel ano the chances of moving abroad on ewo high but say one movie abroad the likelihood say Kotoko pushi kakra bia omonsa beka Emmanuel ano no soro because minim de mate na minim de mahu enti ameye dey make asa no Prince Tweneboa Basake Holy Stars on the Ghanaian players no say omunya sisu say ya omo target no outside o at the age of 19 ono na Basake Holy Stars for Kotoko player na de ono was ono Kumase boy ono Kumase so atiase se Kotoko betimi ne Basake Holy Stars a strike dealer oni problem Basake Holy Stars nso outside Ghana ti Basake Holy Stars nso outside Ghana debiano clubs no omo no locally no say the players no your local clubs no second option edema omo no your clubs na omo akokọ bi the players omo person omo ton omo no omo so no aya na omo no omo hwe foreign because foreign sika na aya na wosoro e the chain local ha aya na wosoro and the Prince Tweneboa ono so dinshim and I think say Peter Amidu akweko na say open it down these two wingers combined this season omama ye best 17 goals kire say upgrade we enya downgrade upgrade because Emmanuel ano this season super Prince Tweneboa team to say Basake Holy Stars no provided this number of goals no super so atiase enti the attention Prince Tweneboa Asante Kotoko company for monitor player na eni omo behwe say at the end of the season say Peter Amidu akwa free bobo koduma kwa omo beko na omakwa akɔfa no as a potential replacement because Kotoko ehia wingers. Kotoko ehia winger ebia at the end of the season obetimi contribute wanya dia obetimi contribute to 10 goals mechere goals and assist wanya dia kura Ghana ha ye lakesa no ma no enti baaku mienu bi pia wo se Kotoko etimi kɔtwe no na omede ne yedai omede ne behiem na bibibia eye kama wo hodom stories ne dɔɔso mo abeta mo a story wa ha ye de betwen eye in the next video na bibibia aye kama wo hodom Incamus Enterprise the original affordable unique quality paint the free Germany the abedwaman so say Ghana hanom de ope paint papa and as we are the baby produce quality paint pa Incamus Enterprise enti no ene no opese ene ubeto paint ene gise mo dwumadie mu se uto paint the free Incamus aso ya omo painti the chew free uto paint wo Incamus aso ya omo painti the chew free and to paint wo Incamus aso ye na baabi a wo dan no se ye Kumase se wo ya Accra se wo Temale se wo ye Bono Hafo se baabi a wo bia no ombeba be painti de achew free so atias enye se omo ye free paint na de ama ye promo internet price ne bo den da bi wo de obetimi afro no aye enquiries wo bisa omo price ne bo na wo de akodwaman so no akobisa other paint na wo so no se bi omo de ne wo so a na ne wajai from our 0554157726 0554157726 anase wuramu ewo adoato adumanu na chese ni Incamus Enterprise for eni nkomo na bibibia enye kama medin Steven Tornado Apia.